Hi, my name is David Beeman with Cirqua Customized Water. I've been in the water treatment business for 25 years, specializing in the coffee and tea industry for the last 15 years. This is going to be Water 101. I'm going to discuss all the different water quality parameters that you will need for the perfect cup of coffee. First of all, you want to know what the TDS of the water is. You find the TDS by getting a TDS meter. TDS is total dissolved solids. It's the mineral content in the water. That is your primary importance with brewing a good quality cup of coffee. There are several different styles of TDS meters depending on your price. The next thing you need to know is the chlorine level. You can test for chlorine with a little litmus type paper that will tell you the chlorine content, so you know whether or not carbon filtration is needed. My recommendation is carbon filtration is always needed. You then need to test for water hardness. Water hardness can be accomplished with a titration kit like this, which is very accurate for grains of hardness, or you can go to, again, another type of litmus paper that will give you a fairly decent idea of what your water hardness is for brewing coffee or tea. The next thing you need to know is what your pH is. Again, you can go out and buy an expensive pH meter, or you can buy litmus paper to test pH. You also need to know what alkalinity is. You can go to a pool supply and get an alkalinity tester and test for alkalinity. Sodium, you usually can call the city to find out what the sodium level is. Usually that's not a problem unless you do water softening as a pre-treatment for an espresso or a coffee machine. You also need to make sure that you are controlling the mud, any silica that's possible in the water, and any iron. Coffee will not tolerate any level of iron whatsoever. Once you determine all these characteristics, you will know what quality cup of coffee you're going to get. TDS is 150 to give you the specialty type of coffee. A TDS range of between 50 and 200 will give you a commercial grade. Any water quality below 50 parts per million, it will get a tannic aftertaste in your coffee. TDS above 200 parts per million will give you a minerally type of taste and under extraction. The low TDS water will give you a terrific over extraction. So as close to 150 as you can get, you will have a marked difference in the actual quality, taste, and aroma in your cup of coffee.